How to change language settings on Fagor 8025. 1. Go to editor page. 2. Press F7 for lock, unlock. 3. Type in code PKAI10 to unlock access, then press enter. 4. Press off mode to go back to main screen and press 9 for special modes. 5. In special modes screen press 1 for general parameters. 6. At this point we will recall parameter 99 for language settings, so type in 99 and press recall. 7. Now you will see number of language options from which select one of your choice by type in P99 equals 2 is for English. 8. After type in code press enter. 9. Now to apply changes long press reset. And it's done. Visit monotech.com. Follow for more.